In this video, I'm going to show you how to load a dataset in Kaggle. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your notebook. So I just created a fresh new notebook right now to show you how to do this from scratch. But of course, if you have a notebook open up already and you have maybe some datasets in there, it's going to work the exact same way. So the first thing you have to do is open this right-hand sidebar. By default, it should be open, but if it's not, you want to click on this arrow down here at the bottom right, and it's going to pop up. Then from here where it says input, it's going to say by default, if you have no datasets, it's going to say no input attached. So what you have to do to attach a Kaggle dataset, or of course to load it in, you want to click on upload and then click on new dataset. From here, you'll have to basically either link it, use code or notebook output or whatever you want to use. I'm going to use the file. I'm going to click on browse files, and I do have one over here, so I'm going to click on it. It's a zip folder, and I'm going to click on open. Whenever you do this, you have to give it a description over here or like a title. So I'm just going to type in tutorial dataset like this, and then of course visibility can be private or public. I'm going to leave it like that and click on create. Now when you do this, it's going to say this dataset already exists. That's because I do have it inside a different one, and I would like to create this anyways because it doesn't really matter right now. So I'm going to click on continue, and then it's going to start uploading and kind of updating. It says this will take a few seconds. Usually it's super quick, like 2-3 seconds. Then click on the close button. Wait for a few seconds because it starts adding data source, and as you can see in here, there we go, we have our data set which we have successfully loaded inside our Kaggle notebook. Okay, so that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.